teenager and you're broke as hell? Well, I can relate because when I was a teenager, I was also broke. And lucky for you, you have me who's going to tell you how to make money as a teenager. I didn't have me back in the day, and I wish I had somebody who had let me know how to make money online as a teenager. But hey, times change, and lucky for you, you're about to learn how to make money online. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, hi, I'm Lindsay, and on this channel we focus on building wealth in your 20s. If that sounds like something you would like to know more about, subscribe down below and let's get into the video of how you can make money online as a teenager. Even if you're watching this video as an adult and you're watching it for your teenage daughter or son, stick around because these ways are going to make a little bit of a income for yourself or your child. Let's get into it. I'm in my 20s right now and I'm making a little bit of money online, and when I was a teenager I wished I learned sooner how to make money because I would be so far in life. But let's talk about the first way that you can make money as a teenager. Number one is flipping items. Guys, there are a lot of things around your house that people no longer use that are just sitting there in the garage area collecting dust. You can take those very items and flip them on Facebook Marketplace. There are a lot of things that I have bought from Facebook Marketplace from people who do not need them anymore. I'm not selling sell your mother's air fryer, but what I'm saying is if there's an iron that is no longer in use in your home, or if there's a laptop that your mother used to use back in the day and she no longer uses it, you can take that laptop and flip it on Facebook Marketplace. You would be surprised of people who are willing to buy those items, and maybe they are collecting laptops, like old laptops. Some people can buy it. Can be an antique. You can sell it for thousands of rands and people can still buy it. So you can sell an old air fryer. Even if something is not working, you can say that not working, problem with the cord maybe, and someone can buy it and they can be able to fix the cord themselves. If the item is not working, it doesn't mean that you can't sell it on Facebook Marketplace. You just have to state that it is not working, this is the problem. Or even if you do not know what the problem is, just states that it is not working, so that when someone buys it they know in a way that the product is not working and they will be willing to fix it themselves. Trust me, there are a lot of people who are willing to buy something that's not working in order for them to fix it for themselves, and it can work perfectly. Teenagers are making thousands of rands flipping items on Facebook Marketplace and literally each and every day. The next way to make money online as a teenager is by video editing. There are influencers popping up literally every day on the internet right now, and if you can be able to find those influencers, because their videos are literally everywhere. Your customer base is literally on YouTube. Just go on YouTube, try to find influencers that are willing to pay you 200 rand per video for you to edit. If you have a laptop, then that is a plus. People usually post a video every week, and if you can edit 4 videos for one person and charge them 200 rand, that is literally 800 rand every month. And if you can find 4 influencers that you can produce content for, edit content for per month, that is 3,200 rand as a teenager. That is a lot of money for you, because you can take that money and buy whatever it is that you want to buy. You can buy your sneakers, you can buy your video games, you can literally buy everything, and you can take that money and reinvest it into crypto, which brings me to point number 3. Invest in crypto. I don't know if you guys ever heard of Moritz. He is a 17-year-old who is doing amazing, guys. He's doing amazing, great things on crypto, and he is 17 years old, influencing me in my 20s, which is wild. I'm talking, he has met Jordan Welsh, he has met Luke, big guys in crypto right now. He flies to Dubai every once in a while. He flies to London. He is a world citizen. He flies anywhere and everywhere he wants because of crypto. So if you guys don't know what crypto is basically you invest money into stocks, and then there are a lot of cryptocurrencies that are available Kono Ethereum, there are Bitcoin and everything like that. So make sure you log in for like a week or so, learning about crypto, understanding deep things about crypto, and then you can start investing like 1,500 rand, and you can flip that money into thousands and thousands of rands. And Moritz, I heard in one video, like I watch his channel, guys, like I'm telling you, he inspires me as young as he is. I was watching one of his videos and he said that he flipped $3,000 and he made $45,000 in like an hour or so, which is wild. Because I mean, if you can flip $3,000 into $45,000 within an hour, you can see how much money is in crypto. If you understand what it actually is and how you can get into it, you can make a lot of money in crypto. So I would advise that you sit down and understand what crypto is, and you can start for yourself. Point number 4 is print on demand. If you guys don't know what that is, you actually make money by printing t-shirts and then selling them. Now let me just say this, you do not just slap a logo, any logo, onto any t-shirt. But one advice I can give you is that when there's a trending phrase that is currently out there, for example, a trending phrase would be like ziyakhala, a trending phrase would be maybe like cash contact, like any trending phrase that is currently out there, you can take that trending phrase, slap it on a t-shirt, and there are people in your school that will be willing to buy those t-shirts, because I am 100% sure that people like trends. They can see that another person is wearing a cash contact shirt and then they would want that for themselves. Or maybe do not put cash contact because it is trademarked, but phrases like ziyakhala, no one has trademarked those terms, so you can literally slap it on your shirt and make money off of selling those t-shirts. And the last one, guys, I'm going to say the last one because I don't want this video to drag for too long. I know teenagers' attention spans are literally this small, so I'm going to make this the last point. But if you guys enjoyed this, make sure you like, make sure you subscribe, and make sure you tell me in the comment section down below that you need more ways that you can make money as a teenager, because I have a lot of ways that you can make money as a teenager. So the last one, that teenagers are making thousands and millions of rands in the US, in the UK, in these first world countries, and that people have started doing here in South Africa, is drop shipping. You do not need capital, like you do not need a lot of money to start drop shipping. I started drop shipping with 200 rand this one time. It was, I think, 2 years ago, and it wasn't a lot of money to start, because a lot of these companies, they have specials that when you're a beginner you don't have to spend a lot of money. So literally the only money I spent was on Shopify, which was 20 rands, and then Auto DS now is like 20 rand as well. So you can literally start drop shipping with 40 rand. But if you still have to register your business and everything like that and get a trademark, then it would cost you 200 rand to start drop shipping, and you can make literally thousands and thousands of rands. So if you guys don't know what drop shipping is, I'm sorry I spoke so much before explaining what drop shipping is. But what drop shipping is basically you find a supplier for a specific product. So let's just say you find a supplier for these daily planners. So what's going to happen is that you are going to find a supplier who sells these for 50 rand, and then you are going to go to Shopify, you're going to create an online store, and what's going to happen is that you are going to charge 150 rand for the same planner. And what's going to happen is that when a person places an order, the order is going to go straight to your supplier, and your supplier is going to ship it to your customer. You don't have to keep any of these planners as inventory on yourself. All you have to do is link your store to the supplier, so that when someone buys, the supplier takes the product and they ship it to the customer, and you take the 50 rand, you pay the supplier, and you keep the rest of the money, which is 100 rand, and you continue to do this with winning products that are trending currently, and you can make thousands and thousands of rands literally each and every day by doing drop shipping. I would suggest that you watch a lot of videos. So if you want to learn more about drop shipping, my favorite drop shipping content creator right now is Raymond Jamba, who is making millions literally every month drop shipping in South Africa. If you want to see that content, maybe you should subscribe to his channel because he goes deeper into drop shipping in South Africa. If you guys enjoyed this video and you would like for me to cover more of these topics, make sure you comment down below so that I know that you're into side hustles and you want to learn more about how to make money online. But yeah, that is it from me. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you like, make sure you subscribe, make sure you comment down below any questions and I might be able to get back to you. And as always, let's go make bag. I love you all. Have an amazing, wonderful day. Ciao.